Struggling to improve your brand's performance on Amazon? Maybe that's because your data is inconsistent and fragmented across your sales channels. And let's be honest, it's hard to scale what you can't see. Introducing Primelis Market, the platform that unites every Amazon lever in one place and bridges the gap between your marketplace and D2C performance. Cut wasted brand spend and reallocate budget for maximum ROI. Enhance product listings using millions of data points so they rank higher and convert faster. And gain unified vision on every shift in revenue and performance, unlocking true incremental growth. Primelis Market expands Amazon profits and simplifies operations. So if you want to see your GMV and conversion rate go up and your tacos go down, book a demo and see why the biggest brands choose Primelis Market. And yes, it's powered by AI. Primelis Market. Unleash your Amazon sales.